Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 31 to April 6, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay. Let's see, Virgo, what's up? Ano yung energies for you this week? Exchanging gifts. Oh, yung basta nyo, meron kayong marireceive na gift. Pwede tong material na bagay. Pwede namang hindi na bibili ng pera. O, diba? This can be a wish na you've been wanting, no? Meron kang wish, tapos makukuha mo na siya. Can be a surprise. Maaring may pa-surprise sa'yo ngayong week na to. You also have co-create. So, this is collaboration, working with others. Maaring magkukonsulta ka sa isang expert, no? So, maaring isang teacher, coach, mentor na meron kang matututunan. Meron kang mga malalaman na makakatulong para sa'yo pagdating sa mga gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, whether sa career mo yan, sa business mo yan. You also have mending, so this is about forgiveness. Maaring meron kang patatawarin or ikaw yung patatawarin. But for some of you, you are moving on. You are healing. You are healing from your past. Para sa'yo, tapos na yon, natutunan mo na yung lesson, and you are ready to move forward. So, let's see what else, Virgo. Your overall energy is the Eight of Swords. Meron ditong overthinking, maaaring may pag-aalala, no? Nag-aalala kayo sa mga sa future. Kaya lang, syempre, no, kapag tayo nag-aalala about the future, nasa stress lang tayo sa mga bagay na wala pa naman. And most of the time, hindi talaga yun nangyayari. So, sayang lang yung energy mo kung ikaw ay mag-aalala. This can also be, yung limiting beliefs mo, na naisip mo na, hindi ko kaya yan, or baka hindi ako maging successful dyan. Kasi ito, nasa isip mo lang siya. Maaring advance ka lang mag-isip, pero in reality, hindi siya nakakatulong sa'yo. So, pay attention sa mga iniisip mo, dahil maaring yan ay maka-apekto sa mga actions na gagawin mo moving forward. So, your challenge is the Four of Swords. Okay, Virgo. As a challenge, this is about healing, moving on, taking a rest. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo medyo busy, ngayong week na to, bigyan nyo rin ng time yung sarili nyo na magpahinga at ikalma ang inyong isip. Kasi minsan, yung overthinking na yan, nagkukos ng stress. So, your opportunity is the King of Coins. You have the opportunity to focus on your finances, yung career mo, yung business mo. This is about leadership role. Maaring meron kang opportunity na maging leader sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Or yung tipong ikaw mismo yung in control of your finances. And then your blessing is the Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is strength, lakas, no? Lakas ng loob para i-overcome yung mga challenges. You will be blessed with strength, flexibility, and also courage. Malakas ang loob. So, energy ng inyong money, career. The Lovers. Sa money, career, maaring meron kayong papasuking commitment. This can be loan, take out ka ng loan. Syempre, commitment yan. O kaya naman sa trabaho, may i-commit ka na project or kailangan mong gawin. Or sa business, yung iba sa inyo, this can be business partnership. And then, your Love life, the strength card. So if you're dealing with someone, kung meron kang kakonek or romantic relationship ngayon, I think mas pipiliin mo ngayon na wag-stay sa relationship na yan dahil malaki ang paniniwala mo na malalagpasan nyo kung ano man challenge na meron kayo. Kasi nangangailangan talaga yan ng faith. Yan, paniniwala. Pananampalataya sa inyong relationship. Let's see what else. You have the Sun in Aquarius in the 11th house. Sun is about strength. This is about courage, confidence. So sa iba sa inyo, maaring kayo ay a-attend sa isang malaking event or isang gathering, or you're going to be part of a group or a community na kung saan ikaw ay mapapansin, ikaw ay kung parang nasa iyo yung attention nila. Oo. Lalo na kung ikaw ay social media enthusiast, no? Nasa social media ka or content creation or kahit sa politika, ganun. You have Mercury in Capricorn in the 10th house. Mercury is about communication, learning. So, nasa 10th house mo yan of career. I think, sa ngayon, no, mas lalo mong ini-improve yung knowledge mo, yung skills mo sa trabaho. Kasi alam mo na mas marami kang opportunity na ma-achieve or mag-open sa'yo kung marami kang alam or marami kang skills. You have Jupiter in Gemini in the 3rd house. Jupiter is about expansion, communication, 3rd house communication. So, maaring mas marami kang friends or you will meet new connections na magiging very helpful, makakatulong sa yung trabaho, sa career mo, or sa estado ng buhay mo. Some of you naman, maaring may opportunity kayo na makapag-aral sa ibang bansa. Pwede ring trabaho sa ibang bansa, parang prerequisite yan, requirement yan para makapag-work ka sa ibang bansa. And then feelings, ang sabi rito, healing begins with feeling, be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. Oh, 'di ba? Sa first part pa lang ng reading nyo kanina, nabanggit ko na may healing, learning from your past, moving forward. Healing begins with feeling. So, I think ngayon, mas sensitive ka sa nararamdaman mo, nararamdaman ng ibang tao. And for some of you, marami na kayong, kumbaga parang naintindihan nyo na yung nangyari in the past. Kaya mas nagiging madali sa inyo ngayon na magpatawad. Lalo na sa sarili mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.